947 State versus Alan J. Hernandez. Could I have parties announced for the record, please?
State.
James C. Law for the defense.
And are you Mr. Hernandez? Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in the prison up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand? Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There's a $1,400 fine. This will run concurrent with 2022 CR 2976. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense?
That's our agreement.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yeah.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. Only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, sir. Proceed off receipts, exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. The court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, he's 61 years old and he has a problem, obviously, and together with the motion to revoke, we think this is the only way to go.
All right. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a 2-year driver's license suspension, $1,400 fine, time and money to run concurrent. This will run concurrent with 2022 2976, and the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes,
all right, we're proceeding in 2022 CR 2976. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Alan J. Hernandez who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 2976 for the offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more, on June 14, 2022 for a term of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number 1, on or about the 21st day of January 2026 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Alan J. Hernandez, committed the offense of driving while intoxicated in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
State will waive the remaining allegation.
Any objection?
No objection.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 4 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge. Proposed agreement is to grant state's motion and sentence Mr. Hernandez to 4 years in prison.
To run concurrent with the... Okay. Yeah, that's our understanding.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. State, you may be excused. All right. All right, the court will grant the motion. The court will revoke. The court, as previously stated, is finding violation of condition number 1 true. Court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 002947, therapeutic community, and 2-year license suspension. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing.
Credit for time served?
Yes, you'll receive credit for any time, sir.
I didn't hear it the last time.
Oh, that's okay. Legally, you're entitled to any time that you have served. You understand? All right, we can go off the record. The therapeutic community, I don't have any jurisdiction to have them place you in the program, but on the judgment, it will show that I'm requesting that for you. You really need to do your best to get in that program because you have an alcohol problem, right? And if you don't solve that, what's going to end up happening at some point, you're going to be listed as a habitual. The minimum will be 25 years, or either worst case scenario, you're going to end up driving and killing someone. All right. All right. Good luck to you. When you're released from custody, if you can't find a sober support house to live in, you come back here. I will pick up the phone if I'm still here and find a place for you. Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
I suggest